been putting this off for over a week. So let's wash my hair, finally. And if you're new here, we do a little bit of everything. We do beauty, we do fashion, we do style, we do mom life, but most of all, we giving the glory to God. I do have another wash day tutorial on my channel a little bit further back, but it's been a year. I got some length in my hair, so I wanted to do an updated wash day routine using hair care by Taraji P. Henson. I was gifted some product. This is not sponsored, but you know, I wanted to say that not sponsored YouTube, so don't try to demonetize me or nothing like that. This is just something that I wanted to do on YouTube because I got gifted this, and so I was like, let me do a wash day tutorial video with this. So let's get into the wash day routine.
For so long, so stuck in my own way. So I enjoy this moment. It's the day that the Lord has made. Nothing to say like the top down. Come on, let's put some more away. Live right now. So let's not waste another day. Cause we find out to see them all. Let's take a ride through the same like the top down. Yeah, almost lost my mind a couple times. It got so hot I thought I wanna die. Blood dripping from my arm, just wanna feel inside. Too afraid to open up, so I'd rather hide. Man, I'm just so grateful that I made it this far. Almost thought I had to call my mama in a cop car. Betty's everything for me and everything I need. I would be nothing if you didn't give me no reason to be. Cause I'm riding through the city. Let's put some more away. And I ain't worried about it. Cause we
God, you call me by my name. The love you give me, I just can't deny. Yeah. No longer blinded, I can see you. I'm on my way to meet you. We gotta talk, you know. All these trials and tribulations got me tired, I need rest. And I heard that I can come to you when weary of my flesh. You awaken me from death. God, I need you. No more walking by the flesh, that's when I leave you. God told me I'm someone, 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 know that I'm someone, no, I'm a child of God. I wanna go the godly way, close to your love again. I give my heart again, Jesus. I wanna go the godly way, close to your love again. I give my heart again, Jesus. I know you know me well. I feel invisible until you tell me you're right here. I cancel plans with you to meet with sin and break your heart. Sometimes I go to you for what you give, not who you are. I wonder if you'll leave for me. God, just tell me what you need from me. Is the Holy Spirit still in me? God, I'm asking you for clarity. even though you told me already. God told me I'm someone, told me I'm someone, told me I'm someone, told me I'm someone. I'm someone, know that I'm someone. No, I'm a child of God.
Now listen, daughter, pay attention, pray and listen, hear your father. These lies they told are so familiar, they will haunt you, they will kill you, keep you hostage, King will heal you. Before him, adore him, he will give you everything. Come and take your wedding, going back to what I used to know. But please hold my hand as I go down this road. Can't keep going back to what I used to know. But please hold my hand as I go down this road. Can't keep going